Hello first standard, good morning. So we'll complete our 3 lessons. Today I will explain the chapter number 4, taking care of our my body. आप अपनी बॉडी की केयर कैसे करते हो, क्या करते हो? What do you do to keep your body healthy? क्या करते हो आप अपनी बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए? तो we need to take care of our body so that it remains healthy. Only a healthy body can have a healthy mind. So how can you keep your body healthy? हेल्दी बॉडी ही हमारा माइंड हेल्दी रखती है. तो बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? तो फर्स्ट, the way I keep my body clean, that is the first topic. The way I keep my body clean. First क्या करोगे? What are you doing to keep your body clean? So brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. So this is the first point to keep your body clean. How to keep your body clean? So and second thing, always remember to clean tongue with tongue cleaner. What do you have to do? You have to brush your teeth with toothpaste and toothbrush, and always remember to clean tongue with tongue cleaner. What you have to do? You have to clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. Okay? Then take a bath every day to keep yourself clean. Take a bath every day to keep yourself clean by using soap and water. To scrub your body. And wipe it dry with a plain towel. What you have to do? Second thing, take a bath every day to keep yourself clean by using soap and water to scrub. Scrub मतलब कि घिसना. To scrubbing. What is the meaning of scrub? घिसना. प्लास्टिक का वायर जिसको हम लोग पूछा बोलते हैं, उससे हमारी बॉडी को मैल निकालने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं, जिसको स्क्रबर बोलेंगे हम लोग। टू स्क्रब योर बॉडी एंड वाइप इट ड्राई विथ अ क्लीन टॉवेल। कैसे करेंगे? बॉडी को क्लीन करेंगे किससे? साबुन और पानी से। और उस जो मैल है हमारा, जो डर्ट है बॉडी का, वी स्क्रब दैट विथ अ वाइपर एंड we wipe it with dry clean towel. Okay, done? Understood these 2 points? First point is brush your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste, and always remember to clean tongue with tongue cleaner. Second point is take a bath every day to keep yourself clean by using soap and water to scrub your body and wipe it to dry with a clean towel. These are 2 main points. Now third point is wear neat and clean. Neat and clean clothes. What you have to do? After wiping your body, you have to wear neat and clean clothes which are washed, जो धोए हुए हो। नीट एंड क्लीन, एकदम साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए। ओके, use comb to keep hair in place. What we have to do? Use comb. बाल बनाने के लिए आपको किस चीज की जरूरत होती है? comb, कंघी. So you have to use comb to keep hair in place. जो आपके बाल हैं, that you have to use by combing hair to keep your hair in place. So how many points we learn today? First, brush your teeth by toothbrush and toothpaste. And remember always to clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. Second point, take a bath every day to keep your body clean and wipe your body to keep dry with a clean towel and scrub your body to remove the dirt of your body. Third one, after taking a bath, wear neat and clean clothes. And fourth one, use comb to keep hair in place. Now fifth one point is trim your nail by using nail cutter. Trim your nail by using nail cutter. Nail cutter का यूज क्यों करना चाहिए? To cut or to trim your nails. And also toenails. Trim your nails and toenails. Trim your nails and toenails by using nail cutter. हाथ और पाँव के जो नेल्स हैं उसको कट करने के लिए we use nail cutter. And ask your elder family members to cut your nail or to trim your toes and hands nail and keep your nail clean by trimming it. Okay. So main points are here. Now sixth one point. Which is the sixth one point? Which is the sixth one point? I repeat this again. First, this is our first video for chapter number 4, taking care of my family. In that, there is a point, the way I keep my body clean. What is that? The first one, I brush my teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste, and always remember to clean tongue with tongue cleaner. Second one, take bath every day to keep yourself clean by using soap and water to scrub your body. Body का जो मैल है, dirt है, उसको निकालने के लिए स्क्रबर, सोप एंड वाटर. स्क्रबर करना, स्क्रब मतलब करना मतलब घिसना, तो उसको स्क्रब करने के लिए एंड वाइप इट ड्राई विथ अ क्लीन टॉवेल. That we have to use always. Fourth one, wear a neat and clean clothes to keep your body healthy. Clear? Now fourth one is, that is very important, that you have to use comb to keep your hair in place. क्या करना है? बाल बनाने के लिए आपके बाल जो यहाँ वहाँ होते हैं उसको सही जगह पे, सही प्लेस पे रखने के लिए किस चीज का यूज करना है? कॉम्ब. नाउ फिफ्थ वन, आपके नाखून, हैंड्स नेल्स एंड टो नेल्स, यूज नेल कटर टू कट और टू ट्रिम करना मतलब कट करना. ट्रिम करना मतलब कट करना. ओके. ट्रिम करने के लिए मतलब कि काटने के लिए क्या? नेल्स एंड टो नेल्स, हाथ के नाखून और पैर की उंगलियों के नाखून. हमें क्या यूज करना चाहिए? नेल कटर. इफ लर्न दिस 5 points to taking care of your body, we will do next some points in next video, but for this purpose you have to read these topics. Okay, be safe and always be happy. Stay at home and read it.